So let's try to do this vector addition and to find the graphical method of vectors by using PHET simulations. So for this, we'll go to this Explore 2D, the two dimension for the vectors. So here, if you see, we have this coordinate frame. This is the x-axis we have, and here we have the y-axis. So now if we want, we can put any vector on this like this. So this is the A vector. And if you see on the upper side here, you can see magnitude of A is 10, theta is 53.1, x component A is 6, and y component of A is 8. If you want to put these values, it can show you the values, the angle. Here you can see the angle for this. So suppose I take this A vector like this. Okay, how about uh, let's go to 10. Okay, let's keep this A vector as 10 with theta 53.1. Now I'm going to take another vector B and I'll put this vector B on vector A like this. So tail of B is on the head of vector A. So this is how we put two vectors, and whatever you want to have the magnitude of B, you can fix by dragging this vector throughout here. You can do this, you can decrease the magnitude, you can increase the magnitude, whatever you want. Now, the value A has a magnitude 10 at an angle 53.1. B has a magnitude 11.2 at an angle 10.3. Now suppose if I want to find the sum of these two vectors. So sum of these two vectors is going to be this S vector with a magnitude of 19.7 at an angle 30.5 with the x component 17 and y component as 10. And make sure the direction of the sum of vectors is always opposite to the direction of the vectors. So if you see our vectors A and B, they were in this same direction, but S, the sum of the vector, is in the opposite direction. So this is how we can take the resultant of two vectors by using the graphical method. So you just need to see the magnitude, the if you want to see the angle, your vector A, just click on the vector, you'll get the values for A vector. Click on the vector B, you will get all the values for B vector. Click on the sum and you will get all the values, the magnitude, angle, x component of S, y component of S on this table. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions about this.